Hi, welcome to another DIY video. Today we'll be exploring some craft ideas with old diyas. So let's see what all we need. So obviously we'll need some old diyas. We'll clean and use them. Then we'll need some different beads, dangles, threads. I'm using wooden beads over here. You can use any other bead. And this ring-like structure. And scissors. Now instead of the ring, you can also use a lid or a plate kind of thing to hang the stuff, and some thread. We are going to make a hanging decor out of this. So first we'll start with the diyas. We'll wash them and make a hole in it like this. For that, first you have to soak the diya in water for some time, then use a thick towel or a cloth below and use a screwdriver and a hammer to hammer in the hole. Now use it very slowly so that the diya doesn't break. You can also use a drilling machine also, but be careful, depends on the thickness of the diya. Once the holes are done, then we are going to color all the diyas with suitable color. I am using crimson red color over here, and this is an acrylic paint. You can use a fabric paint or oil paint, whatever you want. So once this is done, we'll get all the diyas ready like this. I'm going to use 4 diyas on the side and 1 in the center. Now once the diyas are colored, we'll use an earbud to make some design on top of it. So just do whatever you like. You can also use a toothpick or a brush. Now instead of coloring, you can also stick kundans or laces or any other stuff you want. Here I'm going to stick some kundans besides coloring it. You can also stick mirrors, or you can cut out parts from CD and stick them as well. Diyas are colored and decorated. We'll be using the beads and make a dory out of it to hang the diyas. Now to start off with, we'll add the beads or pom-poms or danglers, which will be added below the diya like this, and then we'll pass the thread through the hole and add rest of the beads. So now I'm using different colored wooden beads over here in accordance with my tribal look for the hanging stuff. You can also use pearls or glitter beads or any other stuff as per your requirement. Now make the danglers or the hanging diyas of different lengths so that they don't bang onto each other. Now we'll see how we can do it in one way. We'll attach this to the ring. So this is one way of doing it. Now instead of the ring, you can also use a plate or a lid, as I said. So here I have a central piece to which I have attached some thread, and I'm using a lid, and I have made some holes. You can do it with the help of some sharp object like a scissor. I have already attached 3 of them. Now I'll attach 1 more. So just attach the hanging diyas in increasing or decreasing order of the length. And once this is done, I'll put in the central one as well. Just put in few tight knots at the top to hold the whole thing, and then make a loop out of the rest of the thread so that we can hang the whole structure. And when it is ready, this is how it will look. So hope you liked it. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.